Teaching in the prison system is a little different than teaching on campus, but it's in a good way. When I first started teaching at Teachita, I was really scared to go into a prison and teach. I had taught on campus and at businesses, but I'd never taught in the DOC environment. And the only thing I knew about prison is what I saw on TV and in movies. It turned out that that's not the case at all. The way it's different is there's a lot less distractions for the students. So none of my students have a cell phone. All of my students live near the school. They all walk over to school. Everyone gets their homework done because they have a lot of extra time on their hands. So I give them a textbook and they'll actually read it. And they're all eager to learn. They're not just there to get it over with. They really want the education to use that to benefit them later in life. So when I give them homework, they do it. They'll ask for more. When we teach the welding courses, each welding course is 72 hours long and they use all 72 hours of that. So what I find most fulfilling about my job is helping people and giving them an education that they didn't even know they wanted at the time. So working in the DOC environment, I have students who will sign up for my class who don't know anything about welding. They signed up for it because they knew somebody, a roommate, a cellmate, who took it last year or last semester and said it was a lot of fun, but they'll have no education or no history in manufacturing, welding, or metalworking or anything. And then I teach them basically from square one up to where they're graduating and finishing the program. And it's really impressive to find people who kind of just fell into this program by chance, right place, right time sort of circumstance, and then develop a terrific career out of it. A great success story just happened within the last year. A student of mine had enrolled in the welding program. Prior to being incarcerated, she had also started a nursing program and not finished for personal reasons. She'd started a cosmetology program and not finished that again. She was really excited to do the welding program, and as we were getting through with it, she told me she was so happy to actually finish something that she started. She graduated from the welding boot camp. She was released from prison, and she sent me an email after she was released about how she had applied for a job. She said she was so nervous and she did really terrible, but she ended up getting the job, and the person who did the weld test interview with her said it was one of the best weld tests they'd ever seen. And so now she's currently employed as a welder, and it was something before our program she never even would have considered.